Hey Curio Cat World! So I'm getting ready to have a week-long off-the-grid research adventure, and I thought I'd share with you how I'm preparing and packing. The research center I'll be staying at is on a remote island off the coast of Maine, only accessible by boat. It's a total experiment in sustainability, completely off the grid, so no electric, no large-scale water treatment facilities, no grocery stores, and even no internet. So I'll be going dark for a week, but don't worry, we'll be back. They depend on solar power, they treat their own water, and they even grow their own food. So this will be really interesting. So let me show you how I'm getting ready. And I'll be going off of their packing suggestions versus my own stuff as well. So here's a look at pretty much everything I'm gonna need for the island, apart from my clothes and toiletries, which I've already put into my small suitcase, and my backpack is still pretty empty. So it'll be interesting to see how I fit all of this. It'll be like playing Tetris, but I went off of their list and they recommended a reusable water bottle and a raincoat. It is supposed to rain a day or two, so we go on rain or shine there. So that's gonna be handy. I got some shower shoes and definitely bringing my water shoes. Got my handy hiking pack that's surprisingly, it's small, but it holds all my camera gear. So it's been very useful. It goes on every trail with me. Gotta have that. I'll probably leave that empty and wear it underneath my other backpack, just because I don't think I can carry two backpacks and a suitcase. That might be a little challenging. I did get this camping pillow that unfolds and has two different liners. And I have a lightweight sleeping bag. I think that it's good for 60-degree weather, 50-degree weather maybe. The low is supposed to be in the 60s, so that should be enough. But just in case it's not, I got a liner that should help with some warmth and comfort. And I also got this synthetic camping towel and wash rag that's supposed to be fast drying. So that was one of their recommendations. And also bug spray, because it's very buggy here in the summer. And also some biodegradable camping shampoo and body wash to not impact the environment, especially since they treat their own water there. And now for the really important stuff. I have all my filming gear, extra filming gear, and batteries. So I'm not sure how much access to electricity I'm going to have for recharging, so I didn't want to take a chance. I don't like to miss filming opportunities. So I have doubled my battery capacity. This is not showing the battery that I have in my camera now. So I will have 4 Canon batteries and 6 drone batteries. So hopefully that'll get me through the week. I've got my extra lenses. I do have these 3 anchor batteries too for my cell phone, because sometimes I do a little filming with it as well. And of course my laptop, I need that for the course. And then I have my drone and the remote and the charger for those batteries, my landing pad, 6 drone batteries. I hope that'll be enough. And I do have my 2 Gopros. This one on top here is just one that I got as a throwaway in case I lose it in the water, if I know I'm gonna be in some kind of rough water situation. And then my GoPro Hero and the stick. And they also recommended a headlamp because at night there's no lights and we have to go outside to use the restroom. So that should be handy. And so yeah, that's kind of everything, like an overview that I'm probably gonna need. So we'll see how this fits in. And boom, ta-da! I got it all to fit. And I've got my sleeping bag attached to the handle and the pillow attached to the handle. So that should be fine. Just being organized and playing a little Tetris, I managed to squeeze it all in, and what's left can go in my backpack. So I hope that was helpful. Just to give you kind of an idea of some of the prep that's going into an off-the-grid research experience, which is pretty common depending on what projects you're working on. I'll be working on some research filming projects while I'm on the island, but I'll also be taking a research course with the Center for Wildlife Studies. And we'll be staying at the Hurricane Island Center for Science and Leadership, which actually offers a lot of interesting research programs for students, like summer camps and things like that. So I'll put a link to their website in the description for those who might want more information. And I'll definitely be sharing my experience on the island with y'all, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those research adventure videos coming up to see what it's like, research life. and I will see you guys on the other side.